In this lesson, I'm going to help you work on your treble clef note names. Print the worksheet and grab 5 crayons. We'll get started when you're ready. This Color That Note worksheet will help you to learn 5 treble clef note names: C, D, E, F, and G. The first thing you'll need to do is color the first 5 whole notes with a different color for each note. I'll color my notes first, and then you can color yours the same color. We'll use blue for C, green for D, red for E, orange for F, and purple for G. It's your turn. Press pause and color the 5 notes at the top of the page. Press play when you're ready to continue. Can you tell me what this first note is? That's right, it's an E. I colored the E red, so let's do that. And then name the note E in the space below. Press pause and then press play when you're ready to continue. Check out the second note and then compare it to the notes at the top. This note is in a space between 2 lines. That's right, it's an F. So let's color the F orange and then write F in the blank. Press pause and press play when you're ready to continue. Check out the third note. It's in a space below the bottom line. Which note up here is in a space below the bottom line? That's right, D. I colored the D green, so let's do that. And then write D in the space below. Press pause and then play when you're ready to continue. It's time for you to try a few notes on your own. Pause the lesson and complete 7 more notes. Press play to check your answers. Let's check your answers for notes 4 through 10. E, C, G, F, D, E, and G. If you got them all right, way to go. If you missed a couple, it's okay. With a little practice, you'll be naming your notes perfectly. Let's try 10 more notes. Pause the video and complete line number 2. Press play to check your answers. Let's check your answers for line number 2. F, G, E, C, D, C, G, D, F, and E. Ready for line number 3? Pause the video and name the notes. Press play after you've colored and named each note. Let's check your answers for line number 3. C, F, D, E, C, D, C, D, G, and F. One more line and you will have completed your first note name worksheet. Pause the video and name the notes. Press play after you've colored and named each note. Let's check your note names for line number 4. D, G, E, F, C, F, G, E, C, and G.